Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is a very random video which I thought of shooting. It is already 2025 and I have no clue what I'm doing right now. But anyways, happy new year to everyone. This is a very special video which I am shooting today. So it's gonna be a video about my resolutions. Yeah. And I'm also gonna eat a nice looking pancake at the same time because I am hungry. So I'm just gonna show you the pancake. Yeah, if you can see it. तो 2025 इज़ ऑलरेडी देयर और मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि व्हाट विल बी माय रेजोल्यूशन।
Any New Year resolution?
मेरी कोई रेजोल्यूशन नहीं है, दैट इज़ माय रेजोल्यूशन
Bak.
because I personally feel I cannot you know I cannot have only one resolution for this year because on the whole I feel it's a journey. Like there are a lot of things which we want to change, there are a lot of things which we want to adopt every year, so it cannot be like there's gonna be only one resolution throughout, and that's sugar. So 2025 I think मैंने बहुत time लगाया, like I thought about it a lot, like what is gonna be my resolution. Well, there are so many things which I was thinking I'm gonna adopt this year. You can see this diary, although it is 2023 का diary, it's very old, but I was not able to finish this off. Like I still have empty pages in this diary. Yeah, and I would blame it to myself because although I wanted to do journaling, but there was something which was stopping me. I think it was also the amount of work which I had. I joined a new company, so obviously there was a lot of things, new things which I was supposed to learn, and moreover, since I was working from home most of the times, and the new company which I joined, they want me to come to office every day, so which is why my entire lifestyle it changed. So इसलिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था कि मैं घर पे आके कुछ भी ऐसा कर सकूँ, like डायरी लिखना and all that. Although I did write my diary few days, but I was not able to make it my habit, and moreover I was not able to do anything else also apart from going to the office and coming from the office. Now this year I do want to make such changes in my life wherein I not only am gonna give my time to my office, my work, but also to things which I genuinely like or I genuinely would want to learn. So which is why I thought of writing this diary along with you, so that we can together we can form certain resolutions, or if not resolutions then at least some plan for this year. And I think it will be really fun to do it with you guys because I think this is gonna give you some hope also to have some goals in life. Now when you say goals in life, it not only means big goals like earning a lot of money or maybe going to the abroad. You can have any goals, those are big goals, or even marriage goals can be small goals also. So I want to make sure now this year, if not the big goals, at least the small goals I would love to achieve, so that I can have better, I would say a better present, because we don't know the future, but at least if we work on our present, our future can also be better. Moving on. So the first resolution, I'm just gonna write it down with you guys. Resolutions, my writing sucks by the way for 2025. Yeah, my writing sucks because I have stopped writing, so it's like लिखा ही नहीं जाता, but I'm just gonna write whatever, however I can. The first resolution which is like literally there on my head from a long time, क्योंकि I have been ignoring it or I have been taking it for granted from a very long time, maybe due to my work issue or maybe due to my own certain problems, personal problems in my life, and that was health. So I'm gonna give it as the first resolution. It's not only gonna comprise only the physical health, it is gonna comprise my mental health as well. Okay, so my plan for this year is gonna be to maybe eat right food and in proper portions. Like whenever I'm stressed, no, I eat a lot. Okay, मैंने थोड़ा reduce किया था ये eating problem. मतलब मैं बाहर का खाना बहुत कम खाने लग गई थी last year के beginning में. But towards the end, due to some stress or something, I started ordering a lot from Zepto and all that. So now I know personally it is not right for me. That is why I am thinking to change that, and that is why I have come up with this resolution that I'm definitely gonna eat right and proper portions में. Secondly, I also wanna join some kind of activity, maybe yoga or maybe Zumba or gymming. Although I am very proud of myself कि 2024 में at least 2 महीने के लिए मैंने जिम ज्वाइन किया था. Although it's not a big deal, like 2 महीने it's very less I would say, but still I know myself like how lazy I am, and एक रूटीन को फॉलो करना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. सो आई थिंक इन 2 मंथ्स ने मुझे ये बता दिया था इफ़ आई कैन डू इट फॉर 2 मंथ्स आई कैन डू इट फॉर मोर देन 2 मंथ्स ऑल्सो. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई नीड दैट, you know, I need that driving force in me which was missing from a long time. In fact अभी भी मेरी लाइफ में वो missing है, but I'll have to bring that inside me. I have to get the driving force and I have to do something. If not gymming, then at least I can go for walks. So this is what I wanna join some activity. मेरे plans है कि मैं कुछ join करूँगी. It's just that कि मेरे कुछ travel plans है next month February में, और इस मंथ में भी यू नो मेरा हेल्थ अभी बहुत ज़्यादा चल नहीं रहा है अच्छा, इस वजह से मैं कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं कर पा रही. बट आई डू हैव दिस गोल दैट आई हैव टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, एंड आई डेफिनेटली गोना स्टार्ट समथिंग बाय नेक्स्ट मंथ or maybe by this month end. I know you must be like, you know, Dolly, or just giving reasons, but I'm just being practical because I know that at the present moment I'm getting really sick every day. Even today also I was sick. I don't want to be hard on myself, which is going to be my third point in this health category, that don't be hard on yourself. Why such a bad writing though? This is very important for everyone around actually, because sometimes what happens, no, if we have certain goals and we are moving towards it, we get too hard on ourselves on days when, you know, we are not able to achieve it or we are not able to do things for it. So we start, you know, kind of that kind of pessimistic thoughts comes in our head, kuch nahi hoga humse and all that. And in order to, you know, deal with it, we just, you know, do stuff which is also not right for us. Like for example, I'll give you example. Like whenever, you know, I was sick or I was mentally, you know, not feeling well, I was having some kind of setback in my head कि मुझसे नहीं होने वाला, मैं weight lose नहीं करूँगी या फिर मैं gym नहीं जा पाऊँगी. तो in order to, you know, kind of pent up that anger, or I tend to basically try to comfort myself, I used to eat junk food, or I used to sleep for hours without doing anything. So I don't want to do that, okay? I want to change that. So I have to find out better ways to cope up with things. Also, there's nothing wrong in enjoying a good food, but instead of ordering it from outside, I can maybe try to make something, a healthy alternative which is tasty also, at home. So when you cook, no, it actually helps you to relieve a lot of stress that I have seen and I have felt myself. If I'm not ready to go for a gym or something because I have some body pain or I have some issue going on, I can at least stop cribbing about it or sulking about it and, you know, staying indoors and, you know, lying down. Rather, I will just go for a nice walk. So walk is also something which I can do, which is also gonna help you a lot to cope up that stress which is there in your head. So moving on, health wala portion I have covered, which is gonna be the most important thing this year for me. So after health, I think what I wanna do is second most important thing, which is again gonna help a lot of aspects of your life, and that is decluttering. Just ignore my writing, okay? It sucks, I know. So decluttering is very important. Just imagine, just see the decluttering or organizing your space equivalent to getting rid of most of your problems in your life. Yeah, trust me, it is similar. It is kind of same. Because when your space is kind of organized and everything is decluttered, like your cupboard is decluttered, or You have gotten rid of all the old useless stuff you have, just lying there, occupying the space. When you get rid of all those things na, your mind space is very clear. After that you feel very relaxed. And now why you feel relaxed is because whenever you go outside to the office or anywhere, you will look for your clothes, and if the space is decluttered and you're not able to find what you want to wear, then your mind also gets, all puzzled and, annoyed कि यार जो पहनना था वो नहीं मिल रहा है. So it takes up your mind space. So I'm taking it as a challenge, which is why it is also something which is very important to me this year, and that is decluttering. You might see a video maybe in some days where I will be showing you the entire process of decluttering in the video. I'm gonna declutter with you guys, and let's make it a fun process. Moving on, decluttering is second option, second point for my resolution, which is very important to me. Secondly, thirdly, okay. Thirdly is journaling. My bad writing actually prevents me from journaling. I know you must be like, Dolly, who is seeing a diary? Trust me, I'm so melodramatic. I'm so dramatic as a person. I imagine, what if I die, okay, due to some accident or anything, and some person just checks my diary and, they just want to know more about me through my diary, and they just, remember me through my diary. And when they open the diary, they just see my shitty writing like this, and they are like,
just let it be, let her die.
but I think I have to move on from that. I don't know whether anybody's gonna read my diary or not, and that is not even important. I'm not the main character, obviously, and we should stop thinking ourselves like a main character, to be honest. But jo bhi hai, journaling is very important. Not only because you like to, write in fancy diaries. That is not the only reason. Although, yeah, that actually adds to the entire charm of it, but that is not the reason. The reason is when you write something on your journal or your diary, it actually, helps you to express yourself in a better way. Like, there are times when, you feel overwhelmed with your emotions and you're not sure whether you can share these things with other people or not. Like, you want to, but you have this hesitation that you want to share or not. That time your journaling really helps. It helps to humble you, it helps to calm you as well. So maybe if something good is happening in your life, you can write it on your diary. If something very bad is happening to your life, you can write it in your diary. I'm not saying that you don't have to talk to people. You can. But to be honest, I'm giving you a very brutal, honest opinion, which I have. And that is, when you are nearing your 30s, or when you are in your late 30s or late 20s or whatever, everyone around you, your parents, your siblings, or even your friends, although कितने भी अच्छे listener क्यों ना हो, जब भी तुम्हें problem थी, they have listened to you. But उस age में everyone is so busy in their lives. Okay, everyone is busy. Some people are busy in making their career. Some people are married and they are busy in their family life. Some people are literally pregnant, so they are busy with their kids. So everybody has some sort of responsibility in their life that they are very busy. It's like, even if you are in a particular zone, not necessarily your friend or your best friend is gonna be in the same zone. They might be having the entire different zone altogether. So कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि वो शायद आपकी फीलिंग्स को, जब अगर आप कन्वे भी करते हो अपनी फीलिंग्स को, शायद वो ना समझ पाए, और आपको शायद वो जो वैलिडेशन चाहिए आपको शायद उनसे ना मिल पाए. और इसमें मैं उस फ्रेंड को ब्लेम नहीं करूँगी, ना ही मैं आपको ब्लेम करूँगी, क्योंकि सबकी जर्नी अलग होती है. सबकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, सबकी लाइफ में खुशियाँ भी होती है, बट सबकी जर्नीज बहुत अलग होती है. सो यू कैन नॉट ऑलवेज रिलेट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स जर्नी. आई थिंक हमारी जर्नी बहुत तक सेम तब थी जब हम लोग स्कूल में साथ में थे या कॉलेज में साथ में थे, तो मोरलेस हमारी जर्नी सेम थी. बट वहाँ से जब बात होता है ना, it separates. So don't dishearten. Either you can journal, or if still you feel that you have certain emotions which needs to be heard, or you feel that you need someone who's a good listener at the same time, who's gonna give you a direction, then maybe a therapist can help you. So yeah, I would just say, what I'm trying to say is, I think this is gonna be my fourth point, that is therapy. Yeah. So I am also a person who is very vocal. It's not like I have any shame or any kind of hesitance when it comes to sharing my emotions or feelings with people. I think I'm very vocal in that way. ऐसे मैं बहुत shy हूँ, but उस तरह से मैं बहुत vocal हूँ. लेकिन मैंने भी 2023-24 में बहुत रियलाइज़ की ये चीज़ कि कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मेरे बहुत ही क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, although they have tried but they were not able to understand my feelings or validate my feelings. Sometimes you do need a professional help, which is why therapy is important. And I think this year, if at all I feel that I am feeling discouraged or emotionally I am feeling very stunted feel हो रहा है मुझे, कैसे मैं word नहीं मिल रहे मुझे. If emotionally I feel that I'm not being heard enough, तो I'll definitely try to get an online therapy, or even offline therapies also work. But definitely, I'll definitely give a try to therapy because I've never given try to therapy. Now moving on. Fifth point is talking to your family. At this age, बहुत सारे बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं कर पाते हैं. Probably because of their differences in opinion, or maybe because of their work-life pressure or anything. And I'm saying this because I am also one of them. Okay, I am also one of them. I try to be in touch with my mom many times. Like I try to call her like हर वीक में कम से कम 3-4 बार मैं कॉल करने का ट्राई करती हूँ. लेकिन बहुत बार ऐसा होता है I have headaches or I'm in a very bad mood and I don't wanna take it out on her. क्योंकि ऐसा हो जाता है बहुत बार कि हम बच्चे लोग ना कई बार गुस्से में सारा गुस्सा निकाल देते पेरेंट्स के ऊपर. क्योंकि पेरेंट्स ना शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमसे बात करने का ट्राई भी करते हैं, लेकिन शायद वो हमसे सेम ओपिनियन शेयर नहीं कर पाते. इस वजह से हमारे बीच में डिफरेंसेस हो जाती है एंड वी स्टार्ट टू फाइट. क्योंकि हम लोग का जनरेशन बहुत अलग जनरेशन से बिलोंग करते हैं. आई बिलोंग टू मिलेनियल वाला जनरेशन, दे बिलोंग टू प्रॉब्ली एक्स जनरेशन और मे बी बूमर जनरेशन. आई एम नॉट श्योर कि कोई जनरेशन कौन सी कैटेगरी का होगा उनका, लेकिन हाँ डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ जनरेशन गैप. इफ़ आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड देम, एटलीस्ट आई कैन टॉक टू देम every day. Like I can try to talk to them every day. I know every day मेरे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है because sometimes I have migraine and उस टाइम में मेरे को बिल्कुल disturbance नहीं चाहिए होती है. तो I have decided that days when I am not talking to her, or if I don't feel like talking to anyone, at least I'll drop a text to her, to talk, to ask her if how she is, and stuff like that. Basically staying in touch is something which I'm definitely gonna try this year. क्योंकि मैं ना करती क्या हूँ ना कि जब मैं स्ट्रेस्ड होती हूँ आई आइसोलेट माई सेल्फ, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड्स, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम माई फैमिलीज, फ्रॉम एवरी वन. Staying in touch with your friends and family is very important because parents are getting very old now and you don't know how much time you have with them. And about friends you don't know at this age, you don't know whether you will be able to make friends who are actually genuine or not. And the friends you already have since college or school, those are the friends whom you can trust on. ठीक है, I'm not saying to have a blind trust on people or let people use you or take you for granted. वो अलग चीज़ हो जाती है, कभी उसके बारे में बाद में कहीं बात करेंगे. लेकिन एटलीस्ट जो फ्रेंड्स आपके पास है ना, इवन इफ़ यू हैविंग डिफरेंसेस विद देम और इवन इफ़ यू आर हैविंग डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियंस विद देम, डोंट लूज होप ऑन देम. Try to maybe reason out with them, tell your feelings and all that. If that is not working out, then just forget everything. Just be civil with them. आराम से बात because in a way your old friends are like your families only. ऐसा होता है families में. आप टॉक्सिक बोलो, जो बोलो जैसा भी है ऐसा होता है. वो इसलिए होता है because we know that we cannot lose our family or we cannot stop talking to them because they are our family. Same goes for friends also, old friends especially. Even if you fight with them, you cannot just ignore them or you cannot just completely stop talking to them. Still talk to them, try to meet them, have just spend time with them, meet them, be there for them whenever they need you. और बाकी अगर डिफरेंसेस होते हैं तो धीरे धीरे अपने आप सॉर्ट हो जाएंगे. अगर वो ओल्ड फ्रेंड है तो डेफिनेटली सॉर्ट हो जाएंगे बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी हैव दैट ट्रस्ट एंड योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग with that friend. So your next point that is gonna be having a hobby. Okay, so the first hobby which I am looking forward to is gonna be sketching. So as kids we used to always enjoy hobbies, be it anything, be it dancing, singing or anything. And I also used to enjoy a hobby which was sketching. So आजकल I'm very untouched with it. Like I would say that I have sketched only one thing which was last year, but mostly मैं sketch नहीं करती हूँ because of my time, or maybe I could say I spend so much time in procrastination that I don't sketch, which is not right. I should actually do something about it because sketching or not sketching, basically your hobbies basically helps to get you close to your child self, I would say. Humbles you, it makes you feel nice about yourself, and getting in touch with your young self is very important. Why? Because it keeps you happier, and basically the happiness inside you is not dead. Now with age, what happening is that we are becoming very practical, which is not wrong. Like with time we should be practical, लेकिन we are getting very far off from our young self, or our innocent self. So in order to get in touch with that, I think I would love to go back to the time and do sketching again. Apart from that, I also wanna learn, जैसे वो बुनाई करते हैं ना, मुझे वो सीखने का बहुत मन है. उसे क्रोशेटिंग बोलते हैं शायद, क्या बोलते हैं, मुझे एग्जैक्टली वो वर्ड, यार्न से जो आप बुनाई करते हो, तो मुझे वो सीखने का बहुत ज़्यादा मन है. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट I also wanna focus on my career as content creator. Now, if you are not new to this channel, you must be knowing already that I'm a part-time content creator, but at the same time, I also have a full-time job, which I'm not gonna get rid of anytime soon. Job तो मैं नहीं छोड़ने वाली, because that is a source of income for me, and I don't wanna depend on my parents for money. And I'm pretty happy in my job as well. Like, I want to excel in that too. I want to learn more in my job as well, learn something new. And apart from that, I also want to continue this journey of content creation, because this is something which keeps me happy, and keeps me you look for something. I कैसे बोलूँ मैं, it basically it makes me get in touch with the fun version of myself, I would say. क्योंकि ना ऑफिस जाओ घर आओ, मुझे वही नहीं करना. So I'm not saying that every one of you are like robots. I'm not saying that. Some people, they enjoy their job and they're happy with it, and there's nothing wrong in that. I, as a person, I also want to do something creative also at the side, because that was something which I always wanted to do. But ठीक है, नहीं हो पाया लाइफ में, चलता है. जो मेरे हाथ में भी है उससे ही मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ. लेकिन I don't want to get rid of this also. But I have noticed this thing, that I have a problem of procrastination. Procrastination is a huge enemy for me, I would say. So I want to get rid of that. Okay, I want to make sure I'm not procrastinating. There's nothing wrong in watching series on Netflix or Hotstar or anything. Okay, there's nothing wrong in that. It's a fun time for you. But I had noticed sometimes I just scroll through the YouTube or reels and do nothing. And that is a huge red flag for me, because I know that in that time I can actually do a lot of stuff. I can take a good nap, or I can go out and have a walk, or I can literally edit my YouTube video, or I can cook. I can do a lot of stuff is better than that scrolling stuff. Now मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि content देखो ही मत. There are times when you can go and watch the content, like when you are traveling, you can watch something, listen to a podcast. That's not a problem, which I already do. But ऐसे ना सोते समय रात में या फिर बीच में ऑफिस में ऐसे करना ना, मुझे वो थोड़ा stupid लगने लगा है. तो I want to get rid of it. It's a problem actually, I feel, which most of us have. So अभी तक के लिए तो मेरा plan जो resolutions का है वो ये 7 resolutions ही हैं. 7 deadly sins and 7 deadly resolutions. But I think these 7 resolutions are enough for me to get me by this year. And I think I'm definitely going to try my best to work throughout all these resolutions. Now resolution सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ ये होता है, don't be hard on yourself. If at all it happens that there is a day when you are not able to do any of these things properly, or you're not happy with your own result, don't get stressed. I know it's very funny to say stuff like don't get stressed because when you are stressed, then you are stressed. But then again, stress लेने से अच्छा है कि आप एक दिन बस halt करो, chill करो, next day से आप अपना दोबारा से start कर लो. Because रेजोल्यूशंस जो होते हैं वो बेसिकली आप बनाते हो, लेकिन हाँ, इट्स अ जर्नी. लाइक इफ़ अगर आपका इस ईयर में नहीं होता तो आप नेक्स्ट ईयर में उसे कंटिन्यू करो और बेटर करने का ट्राई करो. अब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि दैट यू आर गोना टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड यू गोना चिल एंड यू आर सेइंग लाइक दिस 2025 इज़ नॉट माई ईयर, 2026 इज़ माई ईयर. वो भी नहीं करना है. 2025 इज़ योर ईयर एंड यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट ओनली, एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट योर goals which you have set for this year are done. But you don't have to be stressed when you're doing it, because it's a journey. I know these things which I have set for myself are gonna be very easy for me. ऐसा नहीं है, because I know सुनने में easy लगता है but करने में easy नहीं होता बहुत बार. लेकिन since it's a journey, I may face some setbacks or I might fall. But then when you're falling, then you have to just, stand up again and start doing everything all together. And that's the plan I have. And this is the pancake which I'm gonna have. So that is it for the video. I think I am done with my resolutions. Now do let me know in the comment section what is your resolutions for this year. Till then, we'll meet in the next video. So bye bye, take care. And also do subscribe to my channel if you are coming to my channel for the first time, and if you like my video. I usually post videos like this, or I post travel vlogs or fun vlogs here and there. So if you like this face or if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care. Happy New Year.